My name is Robert Grodt. Over here, my Kurdish name is Demhat Goldman. I'm from California. I was born February 23rd, 1989. My reasons for joining the YPG was to help the Kurdish people in their struggle for autonomy within Syria and elsewhere. Also to do my best to be able to fight Daesh and help create a more secure world. Education I've received at the academy, the ideological training, the history of the Kurdish people, as well as brushing up on a few military skills that I've been needing. For my family, there's way too many of you to be able to speak to individually. Just know that I love you all, and there's a lot that goes unsaid. To my daughter, I'm sorry that I'm not there, and I'll be having a larger video message tagged along with this that I'll send home when I can. Just know that I love you all. BG Free Kurdistan, BG YPG, BG YPG, BG Sarah Capo.